My name is Fernando Flor from the University of Houston, where I am a graduate research student and I specialize in experimental heavy ion physics. I am currently being hosted by the University of Strasbourg and CNRS thanks to a Fulbright research student grant here. We are colliding particles at the speed of light into one another inside of a particle accelerator. The purpose is to generate the conditions that we believe are present within the first second of the universe and try to basically chronicle the happenings after the Big Bang. These are the same detectors that are currently inside of our experiment. In principle, what we're doing is making an enormous digital camera into which we can actually detect particles that are being generated in these subatomic collisions. I would say that being in France has actually made it so that I have a little bit more freedom in the actual methodology that I use. I have a bigger, I guess, more big picture approach to what the experiment is doing and what the future of the experiment may hold. The bread here is orders of magnitude greater than any bread that I've ever had. I'm a bit of a cyclist, so the infrastructure here for bicycle riding is phenomenal. I mean, you can basically get everywhere on a bicycle and there are specific paths. So what Fulbright has basically allowed for me to do is to basically generate a continuous stream of research. If it weren't for Fulbright, I would not have been able to stay in France for such a long time. The major part that it's contributed is the fact that I'm very, very close to collaborators who are working in the same particular area of research. So my mentor, Professor Boris, he's also a Fulbright alum. He actually did a Fulbright exchange into the US. Fulbright m'a fait confiance pour changer le monde.